So welcome back to another video, guys. So for today's video, we're an activity in C Sharp. So activity 2. So here's the question. Guys. Hotel room pricing system inputs room type standard deluxe suite. So number of nights VIP members yes or no condition room price standard $100 per night deluxe 150 per night, suite 250 per night. So VIP members get a 15% discount. Task calculate and display the total hotel bill. So let's code this. So here's the code, guys. And first we use using system. So using system is used to import the system namespace. So the next is the static void main. So static void main, guys, it is where to executing of a C# program starts. So if wala siya, guys, atong ipang-input ito, dili mo basa. So next, console.write open parenthesis quotation enter room type open, then the standard deluxe and suite open and the colon, then don't forget the quotation and the close parenthesis, then the semicolon. So ang gamit sa console.write, guys, is sa imo input sa text. So sa isuod mo sa console.write. So that sunod is string room type equals console.readline open and close dot to lower open and close semicolon. So ang gamit sa string, guys, is siya mo basa or modala sa room type, and the console.readline siya mo basa sa standard sa mga room type nato like standard, deluxe, and suite. So next is the console.write open the quotation enter number of nights, then the colon, then the quotation, close parenthesis, and the semicolon. So always one was the console.write. So next is the end nights equals end that parse open, then the console.readline, and the open and close, then the close, the semicolon. So ang gamit sa end, guys, is yung basa sa values and nights every night. Next is the console.write by your VIP member. Yes or no, and the string VIP input equals console.readline at to lower. Then the bold is VIP equals VIP input double equal the yes semicolon. So ang gamit sa bold, guys, is if the statement is true or yes, dito siya sa VIP nga na discount. If no, wala mo lang sa zero. So next is the var room price equals new system that collections that generate dictionary, then string, then the end. So ang gamit sa var, guys, is siya madala sa the price room price automatically. So next, here's the value of the var, guys, or siya madala sa values sa mga room. The standard 100, deluxe 150, suite is 250. So don't forget the curly brace, guys. And next is if room price that contains key room type. So ang gamit sa if, guys, if the room type is true, mula sa siya to room price. If the statement said room type is false or wala dito sa ibutang nato, kay marang ako. The next console.write invalid room type entered, then the return. So here's the example, guys. If wrong yung ibutang ito is invalid room type entered. So don't forget the curly brace. So next, end price per night equals room price, and then the room type. Next, double total cost equals price per night multiply nights. Then kanisa lang daw, guys, is siya mo read sa room price every night. So I multiply niya if how much tanan cost if pila sila ka days ni stays sa room. next is if is VIP, then the total cost multiply equals 0.05. So last one is the consolidated right, the dollar sign, the total hotel bill, the dollar sign total cost if two. So don't forget the curly brace, guys. So let's run this code. So here's the code, guys. So para na to. So minute ang guys. Sige na to. So I choose standard. Enter night. So pila ta ka nights. So tatag 10. VIP na to, guys. Yan ako, guys, ha. Or yes, depende ninyo. So muna total, guys, $1,000. So muna na, guys. Tano may nakatandaan. Thank you for watching.